Yeah, and were you here for your timer is brokey? Oh, it is brokey. I never turned it on. Maybe. Oh my god! I totally know what the problem is now. Actually, with the springs or with the trapdoor, it's this oscillate function. This oscillate function is just messed up. It's just it's using current second. So if the it's gonna be a different result if we're at like the third second of the game or the second of the game. Like it's going to oscillate at a different starting time. And then start is just the offset. So should I just do 0.5? Yeah, I think I should just do like a solid value. Just make this 0.5. I think that will literally just do what I want. I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's... I don't know why I didn't think of that. I've been working on this since, like, the end of December. So, almost, yeah, pretty much 3 months. Yeah, and, I have a friend that's been doing the art, because I'm not an artist. Hey, look at that. Damn it. That's the strat. Okay, well, I'll leave it to not me to figure that out. Actually, never mind, I want to do it. Oh. Yo, that was really cool. Levels, and I also kind of want to show off the level that I made when I think Monday I made this. Yeah, so you just fall down, die. Yeah, but because Kyle said make a fast level, I decided to make a really slow level. It's not intentional, but I'll just make it seem like it was. Who's Kyle? Kyle Rhodes. He was the artist for the BLX Music Maker. The master software. Okay, yeah, this level sucks. This is a terrible level. I was watching Kyle play this and he went here and then he got stuck because the spring wasn't high enough. Yeah, I've been applying for a bunch of internships. Like, I'm trying to get a game programming internship, like, and it's hard because Chico does not really have a lot for that. Okay, this is just not working because the jump buffer is equal to 0, and it's supposed to be if it's greater than 0. So when I hit the spring, it's gonna, or it should have been 15, right? Okay, so yeah, I need to do that. I need to set jump buffer E. Right, yeah. This is jump buffer start. Alright, so now this time there we go. So yeah, if you look at the top left, I was about to point at it, but you can't see it. It's in pink. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's equal to 15, and it drops down very, very fast. I do have I don't have any music for this game yet. It's actually something I'm trying to do pretty soon. Yes. I don't know when, but I do want to. Definitely on itch. Ideally by like the end of this year, but it's very difficult to tell, just given like school and like me adding random features. Thanks, man. You have a good weekend. I love that. I love that the Twitch emote. I don't know why. Like, as soon as I knew that we were going to do a capstone, like as soon as I transferred here, I wanted to make a game engine. But now that I have learned a little bit more, I've learned that it's really hard. I still think it'd be cool. Maybe I could like mess with the some people making games. I mean, if I can, I definitely will, like 100%. You collect like little rice balls, which makes you bigger. You collect, there's some other like food items that give you like a bonus, and you try to just like land in the bowl. The restaurant doesn't really make any sense because like no one could really eat up there, but did I fix this? Oh, nice. Yeah, well, this is my friend Willis's art. I'll be sure to tell him that, because he's pretty self-conscious about his art. A lot of people, like a lot of my friends that were playing, they said that the movement kind of reminded them of what's it called? But you play as like a stick figure dude, Fancy Pants. Jesus. Yeah, they were saying like it reminded them of Fancy Pants, which like brought me way back because I totally forgot about that game. All right, this level's good. It has my pass. Alright, it still has my pass. Let's just keep going. But I think I'm just gonna really try and not change the physics anymore, because it's literally making me change all the levels every single time, which is kind of infuriating. The idea of this level is that you like collect all these rice, and then you hit the spring, and then you jump and you shrink. And that way, you don't go through the... God damn it. Oh yeah, and this level is just awful. This level is just no good. I originally had it so that these rotating guys, they rotated 50 degrees, but now they only rotate 40. And just the rest of the level just isn't really accommodated for that. Nice. Even though I did it and it looked really cool, I still think there's problems with this level. It's so weird. It's like these don't have like any friction. But I think I'm just gonna really try and not change the physics anymore. I mean, okay, I'm just gonna put this to be 1 instead of, so that's like twice the amount of friction that the rotating platforms are gonna have. My favorite line is live life, breathe air. Somehow I know we're gonna get there. It's just so stupid. Yeah, I really need to like plan this. I'm not very good at planning things. It really makes you think back to like the times where they tell you like to comment your code and stuff, and be like, in a couple months from now you're gonna look at your code and then you're not gonna know what it is until you should comment it, make it clear. Now it's like, oh yeah, that's true. What does this do? When you click on the start button, game go to level 0. But this has to do more than that, because it's going to be like it also, yeah, okay. So another thing that I want to do is I want to separate, like in Super Monkey Ball, there's a set of easy levels, a set of medium levels, a set of hard levels, and those are just like completely separate. So I think that would be cool. Okay, so I have this problem where in the debug I have it drawing in pink and I literally can never see it. This is just going to draw like an outline. Okay, so yeah, it adds to the score, and when I go to the next room it does not reset. And then once I beat this level it's going to add to it. But yeah, I mean that's easy. Yeah, okay, it looked like there was like, when I hit this it looks like it froze or something. Yeah, alright. Trying to index a variable which is not an array. Oh, if the only thing that I can think of is stats is being removed somehow. It's a 0. Yeah, so someone's deleting stats when they should not be deleting stats. And I don't know who's doing that. Oh, I know totally what it is. So I have this really cool function that causes so many issues. Which is this. Right, and it activates the pause menu, and then, yeah. So it should get rid of just whatever. It's gonna work and it's gonna be fine. Just whatever. So yeah, it wasn't that it didn't exist, it was that it was deactivated from the pause menu. And since when I pause the game and I go to the main menu, the level state is still paused, and all of the instances that were deactivated are still deactivated, if they still exist. So yeah. Yeah, the offsets and the anchors, like that's like one thing that's so nice about Unity, and the way to set this up is not built in. But like this idea of like anchoring with the UI just does not exist in GameMaker. It just doesn't. So like if you want like different aspect ratios to be supported for GameMaker, you literally like have to do some really I mean, I can't say how complicated it is because I haven't done it, but some decently complicated programming stuff. Oh, I just realized I missed like all of the people like following and stuff. God damn it. I should have said like thank you for following and stuff. I didn't have the activity thing open, so I wasn't able to see anyone saying stuff. Eventually, I just need to do planning of like how I'm gonna structure like how the player is going to actually play this, because I need to like plan out how it's gonna work, because I don't have it totally in my head yet. Which is why I'm like all over the place. Okay, well, I'm all finished. You must close. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.